In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a video thumbnail with play button to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are inside the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy website builder. After the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the video thumbnail to appear. Scroll down to the exact area where you want to place the video. When you find the right spot, click the Add Section button between the existing sections on the page. A panel will open with different section categories. Look through the available options and select the video category. GoDaddy will then show you a list of video section layouts. Choose the layout that best fits your page design, then click Add to insert that video section into your website. Once the section appears on the page, click on it to open the settings. Here you can add your video. In most cases, you will either paste in a video URL or upload your video directly if that option is available in your version of the builder. After adding the video, check the thumbnail settings. If GoDaddy gives you the option to choose or upload a thumbnail image, select the one you want visitors to see before the video starts. Next, confirm that the play button appears on top of the thumbnail. This is important because it shows visitors that the image is a video and can be played. Make sure the thumbnail looks clear and matches the content of the video. Now review the video section inside the editor. Check the placement, spacing, and overall appearance on the page. Once everything looks right, click Preview to test it. In preview mode, make sure the video opens correctly and plays as expected when you click the thumbnail or play button. If the video works properly and the thumbnail displays the way you want, return to the editor and click Publish. This will make the new video thumbnail live on your website for visitors to see. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.